This is Alex. He's 18 years old and he was in stress. I adopted him. See his tail. He likes to chew his tail. He's really good boy, but still doesn't like me. Stand like that when I get close to him and sometimes start to scream. Hello, Alex. Hello, Alex. Alex? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Alex? He gets food from my hand. He plays around, but still doesn't let me to touch him, and he doesn't get out of his cage. I'm trying to learn their body language. I want to see why he's holding his wings like that. And I'm not sure, is he stressed or is he happy or is he playing?